We're in the overlook of the Hoover Dam, Lake Mead area. You can see the mountains. Yeah, this is the dock I was telling you about.
Oh, yeah.
It was all the way up there.
And now all that's abandoned?
Yeah, see where that is? That's where pretty much where the dock thing, it was going all the way up there. Now they had to bring it down.
Yeah, you can tell where it was smooth.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yep. And you can see the water levels, how the things were because of the rocks and stuff, you know. You can see where it was originally.
Well, I missed it. That was funny. I wonder if like rock climbing is a big thing out here. People climbing.
I would think so. I don't think you could get better than this. I mean, it's pretty cool. You want a thing?
It looks so close too. When I mentioned
Right.
we actually try to go down there, it'd probably take like a half hour to get
Yeah.
to the water.
Yeah. Alright, we're going to go up to the Hoover Dam and take an overlook of that. Gotta walk a little ways. There's Pat Tillman. Nice. Great day. It's beautiful out. Sun shining. It actually looks like the sky inside of the Paris and the shops over there. Got a little bit of clouding right there, and that's it. Make a quick stop here at the Hoover Dam. Here I am breathing heavy. Gets a little windy up here too, so I might have some wind in my video. Recorded it or not. the things tilted and shit on the thing. It looks pretty cool, right?
It still looks freaky.
It is. Exactly. Yeah, that's what me and Dada did, right to the center.
Yeah, it's
And
like
I thought-
a little crack where it's
Yeah. Yeah, this is what gives them the electricity and stuff, so yeah, a lot of it. Yeah. Yeah, see the water level? Yeah. Yeah.
What's up there is still different colors. Crazy. It hasn't changed.
No, it's,
It's the same.
yeah.
You know what I mean? Like we see like nighttime inside, and it just dries out.